Any mention? Please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 10, Your Lordship.
Yes.
I pray for 2 weeks' time, Your Lordship. Yes, Your Lordship.
Item 10, you are there for the state.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Any objection?
Yes, since she's.
This is 2021 matter.
Yes, Your Lordship. So by next date it can be.
The service matter?
Yes, Your Lordship. Against termination.
Against termination?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Any interim order? No.
No, Your Lordship.
Then why you are taking time?
Personal difficulty, Your Lordship.
Okay. When?
After 2 weeks, Your Lordship. Yes, Your Lordship.
And the request. Don't be of the petition. I'll submit after 2 weeks. Yes.
Similar pay for item number 10, 17 and 18, Your Lordship.
Who's for the state here? Mr. Pandey is here.
In item number 18, I am appearing for the complainant also.
Complainant. You have any objection? You are there for the state? 17, 18?
I'm there.
Any objection?
No
These are
objection.
all both are question application.
Question, yes. 17, 18.
No interim order.
No interim order.
When do you want it?
After 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
Please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 11. This matter may kindly be taken up after 2 weeks, my lord.
11.
Yes, Mr. Mohan to this continue.
After 2 weeks, my lord.
This also same order. Yes.
Yes, Your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to make for item number 16, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Item number 16. Your Lordship, if the matter can come up after 2 weeks, Your Lordship. After 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
16. Same. Yes.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Lordship, on joint request, we beg to mention item number 13.
I'm for the petitioner, Your Lordship.
This matter may also be taken up after 2 weeks, my lord.
It's a matrimonial matter.
Matrimonial matter.
Maintenance? No.
For quashing of orders. Quashing of orders, my lord. Okay. This is a part-heard matter.
Domestic violation.
Yes. Yes, my lord.
Proceeding under domestic violation.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay, at the joint pair made by the parties. When do you want it?
After 2
After
weeks.
2 weeks, my lord.
Yes.
Much obliged.
Highly obliged. Wait, please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 15 from the daily list, Your Lordship. Lordship, I'm praying on behalf of Mr. VGK Kantai, Lordship, for KHDC respondents 1 and 2. Your Lordship,
No more. No more.
no, Your Lordship. Your Lordship has given his papers, Your Lordship, since the 17th, so till they appoint a new consul, Your Lordship.
There is no new council for.
Lordship, I have no
You are there,
instructions.
Mr. Yuvin.
My lord, even in this new council, though, we're not aware of anybody has been appointed, my lord. And I also wanted to make one submission, my lord. On the last date,
Yes.
I'm representing the CM of the Nobosopo, my lord. This is respondent number 3.
Okay, you say certain development.
Yes. So he has been suspended. Now my contract is with the suspended CM. So when his suspension is gone, then I have no power to represent anymore. So in that view of the matter, my lord, if the petitioner can take a fresh steps, serving to the acting CM, whoever is in place now.
Whether new acting CM has been appointed?
Acting, yes. There is
You
one.
were acting CM.
No, I'm not acting
You
CM.
are-
There's somebody else has been appointed as an acting CM.
You have been suspended meanwhile.
Yes, my lord.
Anyway, let them this thing.
Yes.
You take.
We'll take instructions.
Yeah.
Take instruction on whether any substitution needed or not.
Right.
Because without knowing whether any acting CM is there or not, we
Yes.
cannot.
No, acting
so
CM
let
is
him,
there.
Let him take this thing.
Yes,
It is his
sir.
duty.
My lord.
We'll take instructions.
Anyway, just right now we'll adjourn it on the prayer of
My lord.
Yes. You have no objection.
No objection, Lordship.
Just the request made on behalf of respond number. Your respond number
1 and 2.
1. This is not after when
2
After?
weeks, Your Lordship.
this weeks.
Obliged.
Yes.
Obliged.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 19.
Yes.
I'm praying for 2 weeks' time, Lordship.
You're praying on behalf of the petitioner.
Yes, Lordship.
No objection,
No
Lordship.
2 weeks ago.
Much obliged, Lordship. May it please your Lordship. Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 6, Your Lordship, on behalf of Mr. A.H. Hazarika, Your Lordship. He's indisposed, Your Lordship.
For the petitioner,
I'm for the petitioner, my lord.
you have no objection.
No objection, my lord.
Just like the prayer made on behalf of Mr. H. Hajara Learned G. Cannot object to by the Learned Council for the petitioner. This is a matter when?
2 weeks, Your Lordship.
After 2 weeks. Yes.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 20.
We are making mention piecemeal. Why not at a time? Yes.
Lordship, matter concerning the similar issue is pending before the division bench, Lordship. As such, I'm praying let the matter be refixed.
After 3 weeks. Yes.
May it please your Lordship, I beg to make a mention of item number 5, Lordship. Lordship, I'm praying this matter may be listed after 3 weeks, Lordship.
Mr. Paul.
Lordship, he's in the remand.
So, sir, the request made on behalf of Mr. Kapal, one senior counsel, and not opposed to it, not objected to by the Learned Council, let me make the respondent. This matter after
3 weeks, Lordship.
Lordship, similar prayer for item number 7.
item 7, who is appearing for the respondent? When item 7 also? The request. Item 7, so just say the request made on the observation list after 3 weeks. Yes.
Right, Lordship.
Supplementary cause list, item number 1.
May it please your Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, this is a criminal petition for quashing and setting aside of 2 orders passed in CR case number 202 as of 2022. First is an order dated 1/11/2022 passed by the Learned Court of the Judicial Magistrate First Class, my lord, and second is an order dated 2/5/2023 passed by the Court of the Learned Chief Judicial Magistrate, my lord. The Learned Chief Judicial Magistrate had transferred the case to Muzaffarpur, Bihar on the ground that the cause of action arose there. However, my lord, inadvertently we have missed out impleting 2 accused persons, my lord, in this instant petition. Kindly have page number 19, my lord. Page number 19, accused number 2 and 3 have not been included in this instant criminal petition, my lord.
Yes.
I may be allowed to withdraw this petition with liberty to file afresh.
Yes. Learned Council for the petitioner submits that there is a defect in this indiscrimination in this instant criminal petition and prays for permission to withdraw the same with the liberty to file afresh.
Much
In view of the submission, this petition and dispute on withdrawal with liberty as prayed for. Yes.
much appreciated.
Item number 2.
This is the case, the writ petition, it came up on 10th for it. It was dismissed for default.
It's a restoration application.
It's an application which is filed within a period of limitations. It's not barred by limitations. And here the counsel who are conducting the case is from Delhi. I think he could not inform the client that this case was listed on that day. Even our local counsel also not informed.
See, so far as the question of dismissal for default, at least by this court, until and unless there is a 2 consecutive non-appearance, this court doesn't dismiss. So there must be.
There was one more.
Where is the order?
Order is in
Yes.
page 9. It is written there on the last date also. Yes.
There was no one.
No, nobody appeared. But in this case, what happened? The one read appeal is pending before the division bench, and this case was adjourned many times on the request of both the parties that the appeal is pending before the division bench.
This is dependent. Outcome of this it
The
will be
decision?
dependent on the decision
Yes.
of the division bench.
Outcome of the writ appeal.
So then why you want to restore it? Let it be decided in the division bench. then.
No, but here also we have certain issues. Suppose that case is fixed for settlement. If the settlement is not arrived at between the parties, then I have to press this case.
Yes, Mr. Shula.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, this is the second time dismissal, your lordship, but respondent number 3 and 4 are here, your lordship. So notice will have to go to them.
Okay. Municipal board.
Municipal board and the CM of Meghalaya.
We'll take a step in case if notice is to be given.
Just in the miscase 41. Sir. London Council for the petitioner. Issue notice. Mr. Shula, you will appear for 1 and 2.
1 and 2, your lordship.
Appears for respondent number 1 and 2. Not OP party 1 and 2, not respondent. The petitioner shall write opposite party, okay? The petitioner shall take step for service of notice upon the respondent number 3 and 4 within 2 days.
Liberty may be given, your lordship, to file a reply against this petition.
Objection.
We'll file a reply,
That you can do it.
lordship.
I'm not saying it's up to you.
Lordship.
Notice is issued which you respond, it's up to you.
Lordship. Apply, your lordship.
At least after when do you want? After 2 weeks or 3 weeks?
After 2 weeks.
Yes.
Apply, your lordship.
Daily cause list, item number 1.
Yes, Mr. Day.
My lord, here my restoration petition was dismissed on the ground, my lord, that I have not submitted my medical documents, my lord. What happened?
Restoration of what?
Restoration of my suit, my lord.
You filed a suit.
Suit, my lord. So, suit was dismissed, my lord.
For default.
For default, my lord. I was not present on that day because of reason I have mentioned in the petition, my lord. Then if my lord may produce page number 81, my lord.
Yes.
Serial number 10, my lord. It is also observed that despite the counsel claiming that she was hospitalized during this time, my
You are
lord.
reading paragraph?
Paragraph 10, my lord.
Yes.
It is also observed that despite the counsel claiming that she was hospitalized during the 12/6/2023, it is expected that the medical report for such illness would be attached with this instant petition to substantiate her claim. But there is nothing filed by the counsel, and hence this ground cannot be accepted. On this, my lord, she has dismissed my restoration petition.
When this case suit was dismissed
This was dismissed on 5/7/2024.
and when this restoration application was filed?
No,
That is dismissal of your restoration.
restoration petition.
When the original suit was dismissed?
Original suit was dismissed on, my lord. If my lord may kindly come to page 14, my lord. Page 14, paragraph 14, my lord.
Page 14, 1/4.
1/4, my lord.
1/4 is a part of your petition.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Here I have stated, my lord, that thereafter the instant petition was listed on 12/6/2023, and on the same date, the London Council for the petitioner was unfortunately suffering from ill health and ailment, and as such, owing to her treatment in Shillong, she was not in a position to appear before the London court on the said date. So it was on 12/6/2023, my lord.
Where is that order?
The order is in Annexure 7, my lord.
You have not made any prayer for setting aside also that order.
That's page 72, my lord.
Page 72.
72.
See your prayer.
My
So
lord.
far as the original dismissal is concerned,
If my
you are not
restoration
saying-
petition is again come to life, my lord, then I can go and argue my matter, my lord.
your dismissal was in 2023.
23.
And you filed restoration in 2024.
24, my lord.
After quite some time.
Yes, well, there was a
Restoration has to be filed within 30 days, isn't it?
yes, my lord.
So it was a period of delay.
But my application was not dismissed on that ground, my lord. My application was dismissed that I was ill and the medical certificate was not enclosed with my petition. That was the ground.
The restoration application filed beyond 30 days
My lord.
can be entertained in law. See, question of limitation is this something whether it is raised or not raised.
My lord.
The court has to decide.
My lord. But
So, if your application was time barred,
my lord.
what is the question?
My lord, here what I can say, my lord, the matter which was decided without answering to my lord's question, my lord. The matter was not decided on that pretext, my lord, that it was barred by limitation.
See, that is what.
If that
that is what. Kindly follow what the court is saying.
my lord,
The plea of limitation,
my lord,
even if it is not raised,
my lord,
this has to be decided.
my lord,
If a petition is barred by law of limitation,
my lord,
irrespective of the fact whether other side raises it or not,
my lord.
the court has to decide it. Once court comes to know about it, court has to decide it. Now this says, supposing we allow your petition here,
No, but my lord, if
then
my
what
lord,
would happen to your restoration application, which admittedly is time barred?
my lord, may kindly see the order was passed on 12/7/2023, and I have filed a restoration petition that is on page 74,
On which day?
page 74, annexure 8. my lord.
Was it within 30 days? Anyway, we'll issue notice. You just
My lord,
had Mr. Yes, the landed counsel for the petitioner.
it was within the time frame.
We'll see. Just come prepared for this.
My
So
lord.
let us see. Issue notice returnable in 3 weeks. Petitioner shall take steps for service of notice upon the respondent within 2 days. Respondents, there are 2 respondents.
Yes,
Upon the respondent number 1 and 2, shall take steps for service upon the respondent 1 and 2 within 2 days. List after 3 weeks.
hello.
Item number 2.
Yes.
Your Lordship, steps have been taken in this instant civil revision, but the notice has come unserved, Your Lordship.
So what is to be done?
I have to.
It is answered because for what reason?
Due to
What is the reason?
I think the address, Your Lordship, because.
No, addressee cannot locate. So you have to verify the address.
Yes,
So you'll verify the address and file text.
I'll retake steps.
How many respondents are here?
1, Your Lordship.
The office note dated 18/2/2025 indicates that notice upon the respondent number upon the sole respondent has returned unserved, as the addressee could not be located. The petitioner shall verify the address of the respondent and take fresh step for service within 3 days.
Will do, Your Lordship.
List after 3 weeks or 2 weeks.
2 weeks, Your Lordship.
List after 2 weeks. Yes. You take steps within 3 days.
Yes.
3 sim.
Number 3 is same, similar.
Same.
matters.
That also
Yes.
has returned some.
Same. It comes out from the same.
Same company. Yes.
Item number 4. 4.
Yes.
My lord, this is a non-grant of ACP and MSc.
Ready?
Lordship, learned DSI is on next before courtroom number 2.
We have to make some arrangement. That was indicated earlier also by this court. Because, are you ready? Can you reply on that thing? Or otherwise, it is useless. You see, hearing one side, waiting for the other side reply on a different date.
Lordship will have the matter after 2 weeks.
My lord, it is a covered case. I will give the judgment, my lord. The coordinate bench has passed the judgment.
Perhaps you made the submission on the last occasion also? In the
Eh,
same matter?
No, my lord. That is in a different matter.
But then both the matters are covered by this.
Covered.
So you have supplied a copy of the judgment?
No, my lord.
So you do this,
I
then
will.
why do you want us to be ready with that? Then we can finish it. When will we be able to ready with the judgment of the coordinate bench?
My lord, I have that judgment.
Oh, you have?
I will.
But then-
I will give it to.
Yes. You take that copy of the judgment and supply to Dr. Mojika. Just say at the request made on behalf of Dr. Mojika. And the DSJ, this is matter after 2 weeks. Oh, yes, this is matter after 2 weeks. Yes. Just do it, you know.
My lord.
If it is covered, then why shouldn't it?
9 also same, my lord.
Item number 12.
Same.
Item number 14.
Same order. It is also covered case.
No,
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 Lordship.
no.
That is, this is what is the claim here?
This is a dismissal from service, my lord.
On what charge?
On the ground that fake enrollment.
You are not Binay Kumar.
My lord.
So somebody else participated in the selection process.
The domicile certificate.
Okay. Fake domicile certificate.
My lord.
You will allow the prayer made by the petitioner
Lordship.
to take him back to service. Yes, what is to be done? See, we
Lordship,
should do some work also, isn't it?
Lordship, on questions of facts, I'll be able to answer, but then On questions of law, I'll be handicapped.
That will be very good. See, if you can take care of both, then we will be very happy. We'll take up the matter in reserve. But then only thing is that we do not know. That is for you to think. If the order goes against you, then what would happen? Who will take the responsibility? Can you appear on behalf of the central government and argue a case? You can well appear behalf of your senior, ask for time and all, and maybe pass some other short instructions. But then argument on merit has to be only by the appointed counsel. So that is why.
So
What
we'll
is to
have
be done?
after 2 weeks, Lordship.
This application is just pending here also. Same order as the request made on behalf of DSA. Yes, after 2 weeks. Yes. No more.